Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to bookmark tweets on Twitter mobile. Tap open the application of Twitter. After you open up Twitter, you'll need to find the tweet that you want to bookmark. After you find the tweet, below the tweet you'll see an option for share. Tap on the share option and a pop-up menu will open. From there you will see an option for bookmark along with copy link and share the tweet option. Tap on the bookmark option and this particular tweet will be added to your bookmarks. Now to view the bookmark tweets, you'll simply need to tap on your profile located on the top left. And from there you'll see an option, the third option, which is called bookmarks. Tap on it and here you'll see all the tweets that you've bookmarked.